Hi, today we're going to learn about arrays. I'm just going to comment out the function section we did last time, and then I'm going to start with arrays. Let's create a divider. Let's call it arrays. Now, what are arrays? Arrays are a list of data, and must data and its data must be the same data type as the array's data type. Now, so we can, there are a couple of ways of initializing the array, and one of the ways is this. We're just going to use integer as our data type. You can say int array1, and then need the brackets. So we're just going to declare an array, but we also need the size of the data, which is how many data it holds, and we're going to say 10. Now arrays elements starts at 0 and it goes all the way to 9, because the array 1, all the arrays starting index starts from 0. Arrays starting index starts from 0, and but the size of the array starts from 1. So the array size is 1 larger than the index. So for example, let's say we have array 10. We have to start at array 0, not array 1. We can set that equal to 1, and then we can get it at, and then to get it, we let's do cout r0 r10, and then end line. Let's run it. Here we can see that one gets displayed. If we were to do -1, there would be an error. So if you were to check it at 1, still have 1, because this is set to 1, and here you have a garbage value. And so the array starts at 1, and just to assign values to the array, we can use a for loop. Let's say for int I equals 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus, and then we can assign the value. Let's see, I equals I, and then we can do this again, and let's display the value at I at the index, and then let's run this program. And here you can see 0 to 9 gets displayed. And it doesn't mean that there's 9 elements. There are 10 elements, and it starts at 0 to index 0 to index 9. Let's see. There's another way to initialize the index and the array. It's and oh, there's a way to initialize the array. We can say array2 equals. Oops. We can just do this, and if we run this program, there's no errors. If we do this, there's also no errors. Now this means that fix size based on number of data applied or set, and that's it about arrays. Thank you for watching.